In this video I will show you how to install Google Play services in one easy step. First open any browser and this website link is given below. After opening this website link is in description. So click on download the dual space application from here link. It will send you mediafire.com. Then click on dual space and click on accept. After this, download it start now. Dual space APK. After APK is installed, open file. Then click on apps. Then click on installation packages. You will see that dual space APK is here. Click on this APK and then click on install button. It will install dual space in just few seconds depending on your RAM and storage and Kirin processor. Click on open. It will take. After opening this app dual space, click on start. It will take some time to load Google Play services. Click on allow and dual space is now start. Then you will see that it will take some time to load Google Play services on your devices. So it is the demo video. You will see that loading Google Play services. It will take some time to load and install the Google Play services on your device. Before loading this, I will show you I have not installed any Play Store. You will see that there is no Play Store in my device. So you will see that Google Play services is now loading here. And it will take some time to install and load Google Play services. After Google Play services is installed, you can use Google Play Store and all of the Google apps without having any issue. So please wait. It will take some time to load Google Play services. So please be patient. It's around about take 3 to 5 minutes to load Google Play services depending on your device RAM and Kirin processor. It will applicable on all Huawei and Honor devices which lacks Google Play services and Google Play Store. This is the new method, very easy method, no issue. I have used this on my device, you will see that all the Google apps is now installed. Click on Play Store. It will take some time to load Google Play Store. I have not cut any of this video. Then click on sign in button. It will redirect to a web page which you can sign in from your Google account or create a new one. So it will checking your device status. So please be wait and be patient. You will see that. So I have click on this, and after this I have write my password and click on next. You will see that I have logged into my account and then click on agree. It will take few seconds to load. So click on accept and you will see that Google Play Store is now installed here. So I have installed any of these apps without having an issue, like Facebook, any app which I want. You can search here the most popular app, PUBG, this one. Any app you want, like YouTube, you will see that it will already installed. You will see that WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger, Play Store, Gmail, Instagram and other apps are here. So I have show you by opening the YouTube app. It will work. It will 100% work because I have used it. You will see that this is the latest version of this app. You will see that everything is okay because I have logged into my account. You will see that I have already logged in here. So you can search any video. I will show you it will work. I have played my video. You will see that video is played well. This is, you see that any of the video, no issue. So I have now open Facebook app. We see that Facebook as app is now start. You can create a shortcut for your app, which I have shown on my website. Facebook app. You can clone every of the app which you want. it will take some time to load. Depending on your internet, you will see that TikTok is now installing. It will take some time to install depending on your internet speed and your Wi-Fi connection. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.